The baby toddler category, love this from KAPLAN. A first puzzle, they're texturized, so they're animals. It's a 2 puzzle set, and what I love is that when you take they're good wooden pieces, they're chunky, it's almost errorless. There's no possibility that they could get it wrong because the blue dog goes into the spot that has the blue dog and it only goes into the blue dog, but there are textures to it, so there's a sensory component to it that's really fabulous. KAPLAN. Thanks for watching Autism Live. If you found anything helpful in this video, please give us a like. In fact, make sure that you smash that subscribe button on YouTube and give us a like on Facebook. You can also follow us on Twitter and Instagram for important updates. And please download our free podcast wherever you get your podcasts. See you next time. Until then, give your kiddos a hug from me and one for you too. Bye-bye for now.
To subscribe, click here. And if you'd like to check out some more of our videos, click here.